What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Blessings, viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss. They are NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, and I mean say attack. Some of viewers and subscribers, I know say it's been a while, people. Couple days, not long NEWLINK. Wouldn't say they attacking boss. Yes, not true. Okay, but people, honestly, on a real level, but could never just do this vlog, people, and I come forward and show up my face and pay my respect to Viola Johnson, people, to Maffy, to Fishhead, people, because I can tell you this, viewers and subscribers. But now this Oliver, I rate Oliver so much, people. You say Maffy, you say Fishhead, people. He is my favorite Jamaican actor, comedian, people when I can think of. So I have to show my condolences. I have to pay my tribute to the legend. You understand? Because your people, with me remember watching this man from your local youth grow up, people. Right down there so until me take time comes so people. And still I watch the man. Zine. Because them man are full of style, people. By the look at the man face when I see him push up his mouth and comes up. People, them man are the best. So rest in peace, Maffy. Rest in peace, Fishhead. And you see that little clip on my show earlier up on the front of the video, people. Yes, that's Maffy and them say, yo, I'm final moment that way, man. You know what I mean, man? Event where enter people and see how the bastards come, so boom, man. You know what I mean? If you know, so this man is a real stalwart, people. Of over 50 years in the business. In the comedian business, in the acting business, over 50 years, this man comes up, boom, and put smile upon Jamaican people face. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. We all know so one day we have to leave the earth, people, but you know what? We have to mourn, people. We have to feel it. We have to express our feelings. Zine, so me personally, I want to send out my deepest condolences to all the family of Viola Johnson, aka Maffy, aka Fishhead, all the friends, you understand, everybody know him. And you know, say, so brother, link my people, one of my fans them over Canada, when your brother Peter and him link me and say, attacking boss, you know, say, Maffy, Fishhead, you know, say, him kids them and my friend them, you understand, I want you to show up some respect for me attacking boss, because I want to pour out my condolences. So, towards Maffy family, Maffy kids them over in Portmore, you understand, brother Peter over Canada, him send him condolences through NEWLINK towards you all, and I show him respect towards Maffy. You know what I mean? And viewers and subscribers, honestly, and this is something what I said before, you know what I mean? It's not the first one I go hear. Anybody who watch the attacking boss, it's not the first one I go hear me say, people. And the thing say, we need to show love to our legends in Jamaica. Whether it's by music, by acting, people, these people need to be recognized more. You understand? Because think about how, you remember Lime Tree Lane days? You remember Royal Palm Estate and then something the people? And all these things are what we used to watch. We could wait for Sunday come, or whether Saturday any one of them are come, people, and we gather up. You know what I mean? Because I remember when I was young, people, as a little child, and me come to boom and me run up on the ground, me and go sit down there because you don't know that thing they go people, you have to sit down on the ground and I watch a black and white TV. So Royal Palm Estate on a Sunday, that now miss me. So me make sure say any little thing with me for do people, me I go sweet up granny because me want to watch it TV, you understand? And me I go come so me I go watch the plate them, me I go sweet up granny, say granny earlier morning me I go sweep the yard and then something that make granny feel good, you understand? Sometimes I trick granny still, you know what I mean? Me no sweep the yard early in the morning, Zine, but sometimes when you sleep you know the data light, you go hear upon your foot and pop, you know what I mean, people? So me can't tell you say, boy, I grow up as a youth watching this man, people, all when me a big man, so Zine, no joke. So I feel it. It's a really good, as I tell people, he's my favorite Jamaican actor, no joke. Maffy, Fishhead. Honestly, people, a Fishhead, me really know him as Fishhead. Zine, from Oliver at large play and them something the people. Whole heap of something coming at Jimmy Cliff harder they come. Whole heap of play can't think of this man coming up people. This man travel and go overseas, go act on main stage in England. You understand? In the US people. He was a stalwart, my viewers and subscribers. He was a very, very great comedian. And his memories will live on. And what I want to say again, let the people out there, you know, say we have this younger generation that are coming. These are the kids that are coming up today. See, a lot of things that we used to see before when we're younger, you know, say, when them now see it again, because a lot of these stalwarts, these actors, they are dying out people. They are, you know what I mean, they are passing away and something, and you know what we do? We still retrack it, even though we don't have cassette again, because a lot of them something people, you know, say cassette days we used to watch them something and nowadays DVD, you know what I mean, I run the thing and so, and if you find out, a lot of people now are turning to Fire Stick and them something there, and we now get our original thing that we used to watch pan with cassette and we get them pan with DVD again, pan these Fire Stick something, so we need to still keep we look at DVD player we had, and we need to still try for source and get with something that we go up on YouTube, and YouTube them and make we kids then watch them, make them know about these people, make them know where we think I come from people, see? And I just all about the badness and them type of music and them type of something there and slackness there, you know, people. We did have some real actors out there, remember all String Bean and them and then a Royal Palm Estate people, Maffy and them, and we have some real talented people who make we smile, who make we laugh people, who make we bad Sunday turn to a good Sunday, see? And we Saturdays them. You get what I'm saying, people, whether during the week, anytime when them are come people, see? So, honestly people, and a real level man, I just, my condolences again to the family, and this man was a stalwart, fish head people, so much play this man coming and so much acting he has done people. Imagine a man give his 50 years life, 50 years in the people, 50 years, and what people live to see for 30 years, 50 years in life, acting people, see? And making us smile, because everything where this man do people, anything where coming up, he make you smile. He put that, if a man comes up and do an acting scene for an ads, he make you smile. Anything fish head do, he make you smile, my viewers and subscribers. Anything. But it's just life. And me happy in myself, people, that I grow up as a local youth and seeing this man and know what he has done and know what he has meant to Jamaican culture, people. You understand? Because a lot of people may look at these actors and just think about it and say, it's just a local acting scene, them not big, they not this and that. But you don't know how much these people have contributed to our country. See, it has mean a lot to our country. Even though, as me tell you, they don't get this recognition where they are supposed to get, people. They don't. See, they don't. Think about it, my viewers and subscribers. They don't. If you should go back and go back for all of the cars from Royal Palm, Lime Trillion, and all of the different something, because there's a lot of them people. There's a lot. Zane we need to remember. And if you can name out the cars from these thing people and see how much of them they get this recognition. But when they passed away, you know what I mean, they do hear about them and you do hear much things then coming and this and that. But these people have done a lot. They have done a lot. And they are celebrities just like anybody else. They are, you know what I mean, people. So it's just sad, man. So them say people it's just a heart attack him have, and they rush him to the hospital, and you know he was pronounced dead on Friday sometime after 8 p.m. because his daughter is the one who publicized it, people, and let it be known out there that her dad, you understand, Maffy, aka Fishhead Viola Johnson, has passed away. You know, so it's life, people. As I tell you, it's life. We all have to go that road one day, my viewers and subscribers. We all have to, you know what I mean? But legendary Maffy, rest in peace again, my brother. And viewers and subscribers, anytime you can take the time out, man, you understand? Go and watch something with him. Get your kids join in. Tomorrow, Sunday are coming up, people. Today, our Saturday. Get your kids, you know what I mean? And go up on YouTube and find one of them, something we know them coming up, people, and they just watch you make. You know, we know that some of the things, them, the acting play, them, maybe the words, them not too good. You know, we know that's something they got, people. But there's a lot of different stuff where coming up, people. And it's all comedic, something, people. It all make we smile, it all make we laugh and things. So it's a stalwart, and rest in peace again. And you don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers, man. So you don't know, it's the attacking boss, and people big up on themselves, man. But there, me not gonna know when people, more love, more respect. Thanks to the love, thanks to the support, thanks to the like, thanks to the share, thanks to the comment them, thanks to the patience and everything, people, you understand. And I truly even know my people, all my respect, you know, all my love, you know, me appreciate the support every day, every minute, every second. And thank you all, my people. So if you don't subscribe, please do subscribe now and hit that notification bell so as I drop a video you get them. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter, my people. NEWLINK production. You understand? More love, you know, more respect, you know, and yo, fully attacking boss. Attack. Never stop. Full force. Attack them, NEWLINK.